What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Sam from YouTube, and today it's all going to be about the HUAWEI Y9 Prime 2019. The specifications are as follows. This device features a 6.59 Full HD Plus display. That is, you're going to be getting a 1080p display with an ultra full view display. It also has a 91% screen to body ratio. That means you're going to be getting a lot of screen real estate. Yeah, a wide screen, big screen. So the dimensions are, the device is quite light too, with 197 grams for this size and a big battery also. It features midnight black and coral blue. We have a high silicon Kirin 710 processor, a Mali G51 MP4 GPU. So graphics display on this device is going to be simply amazing. A triple rear camera of 16 megapixels, 8 megapixels and 2 megapixels, and a rear facing camera with AI LED flash. We have a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera in the front. I think this is Huawei's first ever pop-up camera. If there is another, please let me know in the comment section down below. We're gonna have 4 and a 6 gigabytes RAM variants of this device. That's two different devices, two different variants for this device, and 128 gigabytes inbuilt storage on the device, which is quite enough for any files you want to keep on your phone. It's enough. We also have an expandable storage of up to 512 gigabytes via the micro SD card slot. Here it is, guys, the HUAWEI Y9 Prime 2019 with a display looking or a build quality relatable to that of the HUAWEI Y9 2019, but with a triple camera setting. It runs on Android 9.0 Pie OS, EMUI 9.1, that is Huawei's skin on the device, a 4000 mAh battery which is non-removable and supports 10 watts fast charging. But I do not think this device is going to be coming with a fast charger in the box, so you might want to need to get one. We have a 3.5mm audio headphone jack and USB Type-C port. The device is priced at about 140,000 naira in Nigeria, so Type-C is good enough for that price, and a rear fingerprint sensor. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the price, but due to exchange rates, it's going to be priced at 140,000 naira in Nigeria. At least it's expected to. Thank you all for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe, share the video, like. Thank you. I'll see you next time.